We're going to look at fractional exponents. Exponents can also be written using the root sign. If the numbers are very large or very small, they are usually written using the root sign. So our first example, a to the half power, is equivalent to n times the root of a. To convert the fractional exponent, first put the denominator in front of the square root sign and put the base inside of the square root sign. Second example, a to the negative 1 over n power equals 1 divided by a to the half power, which is equivalent to 1 over n times the root of a. To convert a negative fractional exponent, it is the same as a negative exponent, but taking the inverse to make the exponent positive. Then to convert a root sign, put the numerator in front of the square root sign, and the base is put inside of the square root sign. We're going to look at the last two fractional exponent conversions. The first one, a to the mth divided by the nth power, becomes n times the root of a to the mth power, which is equivalent to n times the root of a and all to the mth power. To convert the fractional exponent is the same as the first example. However, since there are terms for numerator, the denominator is put in front of the square root sign and the numerator is put outside the brackets of the square root expression. The fourth fractional exponent conversion is a to the negative m divided by n power, which is equivalent to 1 over a times m to the nth power, which is equivalent to 1 divided by n times the root of a to the mth power. To convert a negative fractional exponent, it is the same when solving a problem with a negative fractional exponent. The expression first should be inverted, so the expression has a positive exponent. The next step is to put the denominator in front of the square root sign. So let's look at three examples. 49 to the 1/2 power is equivalent to the square root of 49, which equals 7. The second example, 27 to the negative 1/3 power equals 1 over 27 to the 1/3 power, which is equivalent to 3 times the square root of 1 over 27, which equals 1/3. And the third example, 36 to the 3/2 power equals 2 times the square root of 36, all to the third power, which equals 6 to the third power, which equals 216.